Reusing an existing anchor hole can save time, but only when the surrounding material is solid and undamaged. When assessing an anchor hole, start by probing the edge with a screwdriver or awl to feel for crumbling or powdery material, and press the anchor by hand to check for excessive movement. If you detect softness, the hole will not hold, and you should patch and re-drill at a new location. Measure the hole diameter and compare it to the anchor specification, because a gap larger than the anchor body reduces clamping force and requires filling or using a larger anchor system designed for the substrate. For large voids behind the surface, consider using a structural repair mortar or a two-part epoxy filler to rebuild backing before installing a new anchor. Allow full cure time per the product instructions to restore load capacity. When multiple nearby holes cluster within a few inches, they weaken the substrate. Relocate the anchor at least 2 times the anchor length away from the cluster to engage unbroken material. For anchors in hollow walls, use toggle or molly anchors sized to the wall thickness, or switch to adhesive anchors designed for hollow cavities if hollow wall toggles cannot meet the load demands. Always load test a repaired or reused anchor gently before putting full service loads on it, and document the repair method and materials so future work avoids repeating failed attempts. 3 common mistakes are assuming surface hardness means good backing, reusing a hole with unseen internal voids, and relying on cosmetic repairs only. Thinking a firm face layer guarantees strength is incorrect because plaster, thin tiles, or paint can mask crumbling substrate. Solution is to probe and, when in doubt, remove a small patch to inspect and rebuild. Ignoring internal voids leads to anchors that strip under load. Solution is to use fill and cure methods such as epoxy or hydraulic cement before redrilling. Covering cracks or gaps with filler compound for aesthetics without structural repair gives a false sense of security. Solution is to rebuild structural support first, then finish cosmetically. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and offer tools for contractors to find jobs and connect with clients. We also host an active discussion community where members share repair experiences, advice, and real-world photos so you can learn how others handled similar anchor and patching problems.